In this lecture we discuss about the work study. Okay, so work study is basically used for the analyze the work in any industry. Okay, so there is the two method. First you need to do which method is follow in your industry, and the operation and the process which follow. Okay, so you need to critically examine all this method, and that's come into the method study as mentioned here. Okay, so this is the method study to simplify the job and to develop the better method. Okay, and try to identify the better alternative to reduce the unnecessary thing and avoid the unnecessary thing in your industry. Next is the work measurement, means here you try to identify the standard time or time needed to complete that particular project. How much time is needed? You need to set one standard time. The one is you need to identify the best method, and as well as you need to select the standard time. You need to identify the standard time for a particular work, for a particular process. That is nothing but the work analysis. That is the your module 2. Okay, and if you do these two things, what is the motto of industrial engineering and management? That is the improve the productivity. If you do these two things, then definitely the production and the productivity of your plant will be increased. So work study divide into the two part, that is the method study and the work measurement. The method study means the systematic recording and the critical examination of existing and the proposed way of doing work as a mean of developing and applying the easier and more effective method at the reducing the cost. So you need to mean systematically record all the things related to your existing process. Okay, and try to identify some alternative and try to critical examine all the things which is going on in your industry related to your method, and if you improve those particular method by use of some alternative, then definitely it will improve the productivity. The second part is the work measurement, the application of technique designed to establish the time for the qualified worker to carry out the specific job at a definite level of performance. Means work measurement we do basically for find out what is the exact time needed to complete this particular type of the job. Okay, in industry there is the different type of the job will be there in the industry, so you need to identify how much time should be allocated as a standard time, so worker will able to do in that particular time the job. Okay, so that time you need to identify. So there is some standard procedure to identify the standard time. That is nothing but the work measurement that we will discuss. Okay, so here the basic steps of the work study is the mention here. First you need to select. Okay, so to be studied and the define the boundary, you need to select one particular process for the improvement. In an industry there is the some bottleneck operation, like some in your industry there is the one drilling operation which is very critical, and there you need to improve the productivity, means you need some improvement for improve the productivity of your plant. Okay, because that drilling process is due to that means drilling process not complete on time, there is the delay occur in the assembly. Okay, such like that you need to select one particular process in your industry. After that you need to record that particular process by use of the collect the relevant facts for how work has been done. All the facts you need to collect. Okay, related to that particular process. Then you need to examine why this work done is doing in this manner. Okay, can worker reduce, can improvement we can do the improvement, can we provide the safety and more safety type of the process, means process which are more safe for the worker, can we provide the means good environment. Like that you need to think, and you need to provide the new method if possible which improve the productivity as well as the reduce the safety related issues. Okay, as well as fatigue of the worker. Okay, next you need to develop alternative method. Okay, If possible, you can improve the existing method also, and as well as you need to develop some new alternative method. You need to reduce the unnecessary thing and all thing unnecessary movement, then you can develop. Then evaluate different alternative method will be available. Okay, if you go means a drilling process, if you want to improve in your industry, then you go to the brainstorming process, discuss with all the manager and all the staff available in your industry, and try to identify all the alternative available. That is come into the fourth part, that is the develop, and you select one alternative. Okay, then evaluate all the alternative you need to evaluate and the compare. Okay, if they provide, you can use instead of CNC machine, you can use the SPM machine, special purpose machine, you can use the manual machine. Like that they will give some suggestion. Now you need to compare which one is the best on the basis of the cost, on the basis of the labor availability, on the basis of the productivity. Then define new method. Finally you need to define which method is the best. Okay, and install that new method and maintain as a regular practice that particular method. That is nothing but the work study. That all the part come into the work study, or that all the part come into the work study, or you can say that is the particular part of the method study, because here we not consider the work measurement related part. Okay, so okay, here one more mention like that, I'm sorry, it is related to work study, because here also the standard time related comparison you need to do. So it is a combination of work measurement as well as the, you can say, the method study. So that's why it is a work study. So now here I try to define the more way how to these are the work study. Work study is nothing but the combination of the method study as mentioned here. Okay, as well as it is a combination of the method study and the work measurement as we discussed. So what is the method study? First you need to select the work to be studied. Okay, where we want to do our method study. So on the basis of the economical issues, on the basis of the technical issues, on the basis of the human engineering related issues, you can select the one particular bottleneck process, okay, which really create the issue in your industry. So selection on the basis of the economic, on the basis of the technical, on the basis of human engineering, you select one particular process for the improvement. Now record the present method to limit of detail economically justify using the some process. Okay, so here some recording process is available like operation process chart, flow process chart, motion chart, film analysis chart, that is nothing but the micro motion study that we will discuss. After that, all this thing, all this chart making for that particular operation, you go for the examine, critically examine if this method is proper or not, and try to reduce unnecessary thing related to that particular method. Try to reduce the unnecessary motion in your industry. In that particular process, the unnecessary material movement you can reduce. Okay, next examine the facts critically, considering intent, purpose, place, sequence, person. Okay, all these things you need to consider and develop the new method under the circumstances which is in your industry, and define the new method and install the new method. That is come into the method study. Now if I talk about the work measurement, there you need to select the work, record where necessary effective and ineffective time under the existing work condition. So you need to measure, you need to go with the stopwatch as well as their work sampling. There means other many processes available. You do first you go with your stopwatch and collect the data related to that process. How much time is taken that particular process, you collect on a different time period. Okay, continuously, and you can set and you can identify how much unnecessary time is there. Okay, ineffective time is there. So examine in the order to eliminate ineffective time. Okay, next you need to examine like that we need to reduce the ineffective time. Then define the new method to be used, break down job into the element. Okay, like that you can do all these things, time study, synthesis, analytical estimation you can do. So next one, just wait. Next here, what is the method study? The definition is given here. Work method analysis or the method study is the scientific technique of observing, recording and critically examining the principal method of performing a task or job operation with the aim of improving the present method and the developing the new and cheaper method. Okay, so that's why we need to apply the method study. And here mention all these things means critically examine the existing method, that is nothing but the method study. In simple way we can say. So as just we discussed like that, there is we need to record. Okay, in method study, if I talking about the method study, we need to record all the facts related to method which is existing right now in our industry. So first, how you will be record? So there is the some process chart is available. In process chart, how you will be represent the operation by use of the solid circle. You can represent the operation. Okay, by use of the solid rectangle, or you can say the square, you can represent the inspection activity. By use of this solid arrow, you can represent the transportation. By use of the triangle, you can represent the storage. By use of the solid D, you can represent the delay. Okay, so like that, the transportation means the worker movement. Okay, that you can represent by that. The combined activity also will be there, like transportation plus the means inspection activity. So you can represent like that, and we will make some operations chart so you can understand more easily. So here you can see the operation chart, which is means taken from the some industry, and here means you can easily dictate like this is the main operation. Means if you see this right side, the right side is the main operation, and these are the some other operation how to join. Okay, so I give you some practical examples so you can understand the operation chart. Just wait. So here you can easily see the operation process chart. There is the replacement of worn out part, that is the task, and how we represent this particular process in the operation process chart. So the chart is the present, and the location present means it is right now going on in our industry, and the means proposal. So you can write there is this is the proposed method, like that you can write here. Okay, so where your chart begin and where your chart end, you need to write down. Okay, so inspection of the chart means inspection of the part B replacement, that is the starting, and the testing with the new part, that is the thing. So here I try to just make small so you can understand. Yeah, so now you can easily see here, this is our operation chart for the replacement of worn out part in any means in an engine, suppose you can say in a machine. So how to remove the worn out part, that is the pictorial view here is present in this operation chart. First is this is the worn out part, you can see here. Okay, so this worn out part, there is the first you need to inspection of the part replaced. So that is the come into the inspection, and this is the first inspection activity. So you need to write one here. Okay, then remove that worn out part. Okay, so removal of that part, that is the one operation, that is the operation. So you need to make a solid circle here. So this is the circle, and here you need to write one, and this is the remove part, you need to write like that. Next operation is the cleaning. So you need to clean that particular space. Okay, so here you need to write 2, and that is the cleaning. Now here one more side by side operation is going on, that is the requisition of new part you need to fill up, and the new part issued. At that new part issued, you can put here and you can connect here, and this is the new part fitted, part oiled, and part inspected. Like that you can record all the activity or activities going on in your industry by use of the operation chart. Okay, and you need to make one summary chart after that, that is the symbol. There is total number of the operation going on in this particular method is the 6, and the inspection there is the 2. So you can make this operation chart for record and for the critical examine purpose. of particular method. Next one is the flow chart. Okay, so the flow process chart record the step in the process along a vertical line with the action type being shown by the symbol alongside a description of action as well as the illustration as mentioned here. So first I try to give you the one real example so you will understand like this. Here this is the operation, movement, inspection, delay. You can means plot like that and easily dictate how the process is going on in your industry. There is the operation chart. In the operation you need to make all the operation related symbol. In movement you need to make all the movement related symbol, inspection related symbol, delay related symbol, storage related symbol, and what is the distance is going on, that symbol you can easily make. Now this is the representation how the flow chart will be made. Okay, so I try to give you one example so you can understand more easily. Like here the flow process chart for material is mentioned here. The task is the surface finish of part. Okay, that is the task, and location is suppose industry name and that particular name of the department you can put here. The bringing the part from the surface finish and storing the part in the rack means store rack. That is the that steps we consider in our this particular flow process chart. So first is the part available in the rack. Okay, so you need to identify the part available in the rack. Okay, so first thing, that is the part available in the rack means that is the store related thing. Okay, so here you need to make a store symbol and that is the one. Okay, so just try to understand. This is the store related symbol. Okay, and part available in the rack, there we take the part from the rack and we move 20 meter. Okay, your worker move 20 meter and bring part to the machine from the store. Okay, so now it is in store. Okay, bring part to the machine from the store. So now it is on machine. Okay, from store to machine the distance is 20 meter. So here you need to put the transportation symbol. Next is that there is the delay because the waiting for the operator to be free from the present work. So 20 minutes is the delay, so you need to represent like that. Then loading of the part, that is the 3 minutes. Next the machining of the part is take 5 minutes. Then unloading of the part take 3 minutes, and you need to repeat these steps 4 times. So as mentioned here 4 times. Okay, next one is the to inspection section, that is the 25 meter away, so you need to move again. Then 5 minutes is the inspect of the part, that is the time taken. Next 20 meter you need to move toward the store and you need to put again place the part in the rack and the store the part in the rack. Like that you can make the flow process chart of your particular method. Okay, so I try to represent what is the advantage. If you compare in operation chart, there is the inspection and the operation, only 2 things is we mention. Okay, but here in this flow chart diagram we represent the all the thing in the pictorial way, as well as how much time, how much distance is needed, that also we put. Okay, so it give more means more information if we compare with the operation chart. Okay, and here you need to make one summary, and that summary will tell you, like symbol is mentioned here, means this is operation, total number of the operation is 13 for this particular surface finish process. The inspection is 1, the movement 3 times we need to move and 66 meter total movement. Next is the store, we need to go 2 times the store, their delay is 20 minutes, there is the delay. Now on the basis of this summary, as an industrial engineer you can do some critical examination and you can do some improvement, how to reduce this delay time. You can discuss with the other manager and you try to identify the other alternative available. Okay, as well as how to reduce this movement time. Okay, movement of the worker in the industry. So that type of the thing means how you can find out how much movement is occur in your industry. By use of the flow chart you can easily dictate there is the movement, unnecessary movement, there is the delay in our operation. so we need to reduce that particular delay and all things. So that's why we need to make this flow process chart in the industry. It's the main type, machine type, there is the flow process chart. So here is the main type of flow process chart I try to represent here, the writing letter. Okay, so typing, first is the typing on the chair, and the typing means typist put that particular letter into the tray, that is the ending. Okay, so to director cabin there is the one moment, take a dictation from the director, back to the work table, type the letter. Okay, verify for the mistake, that is the inspection part. Next is the to director cabin, and the wait till the director read and the sign, back to the table, put into the envelope and keep the letter into the tray. So like that you can easily, after the summary table, you can easily make, there is the total 5 operation, 1 delay, and the movement is the 4, and the you can say inspection is the 1. So you can easily represent. This is the flow process chart for main type. Okay. Next is the flow diagram. Okay, there is the many chart also available, two-handed chart that I will discuss. And next is the flow diagram. That flow diagram means here the flow of your material, means flow of material in your industry will represent by use of the flow diagram, and flow diagram will show you the material movement, and you can easily identify means how to improve this particular material movement and how to reduce the movement in the industry. Okay, so productivity and the efficiency of the industry will improve. So here you can see how the material movement is occur in the particular industry. Sometimes the flow diagram will create the confusion because there is a lot of motion in the industry. So there is the one more diagram, that is the string diagram. In string diagram is a simple tool for analyzing and designing workspace such as the movement can be minimized. Okay, so the basic diagram simply consists of a map of work area with the actual movement drawn on top. Okay, so now here I try to show you that this is the string diagram. So here you means the industrial engineer or the method study man use the this pin, means pin and the string, to show the movement of the worker, to show the movement of the material in your industry. So here by string you can easily dictate the number of movement occurred in your industry, and you can means improve on the basis of that the layout of your plant. So flow diagram, string diagram is basically means very useful for improvement of the plant layout, and it reduce the movement. Okay, if we improve, then it definitely reduce the movement of the worker, movement of the material, which improve the efficiency or as well as you can say the productivity of your organization. Next one, there is one more for the micro motion study. Means there is the micro motion study is the very means essential part, and on the basis of that you need to identify means just wait up. Here I try to represent the two-handed process chart. If your two hand are involving in a particular process, okay, so this is the real example, means real chart I try to show you. Here example of the two-handed process flow chart, fixing a screw on an assembly. Okay, so fixing a screw on an assembly, this particular text means format will be available in every industry, and the fixing is screw on the assembly, that is the operation. Operator name is mentioned here. Okay, analytics means industrial engineer name is present, and the method is going on, so present you need to put. Okay, this is the date and the effective time, all are mentioned. Now first pick a screwdriver from the rack. Okay, and fixing the screw on assembly, that is the operation. So now insert a screw into the hole, so that is your right hand involved, that right hand involved, insert a screw into the hole. Okay, and pick a screwdriver from rack, that is there means your left hand is involved, means both two hands are involved in this particular activity. So that's why we need to draw the this two-handed process chart. Okay, so now here if bringing the screwdriver to screw, that is the left hand there involved, and that time this hand is idle, so here D is mentioned because that is the idle time. And here bring a screwdriver that represent by use of the motion. Okay, so now tightening the screw, that is the operation, so that represent here. And here the time also mentioned here. Okay, so you can easily dictate how to make this hand process chart. Okay, two hand process chart. Hole screw to hole. Okay, hold screw to hole. So here you is your right hand hold the screw to hole and your left hand tight the screw. Like that you can represent the both hand involvement in a particular operation, and on the basis of that you can do the some improvement by use of this chart. Okay, and you can easily means any industrial engineer will see the historical data. Okay, also okay, how means this particular process perform in this year, now how it is performed. So by use of this chart, if available in your industry, you can easily means it is take a less time and you can easily go through the all the chart and all. Okay, here means again I show you the some means real flow chart which is means used in the industry. There is the symbol is making, time and distance is making, and you can easily represent means how your means machine will work. Okay, so here is the assembly shop is the location, and assembly of the flange and bush is the operation going on. Okay, so flange from the chemical shop, that is the means movement there, so that's why they put in the second they tick mark on the second symbol here. So you can see, so this is the second one, so this is the transportation symbol. So here movement occur, waiting for the setup, so here delay, on the delay symbol they tick mark. Then grinding flange, that is the operation, so again tick mark on the operation, solid circle. Then flange move, so that is the again means movement there. Like that this is the real means machine flow chart, main type, machine type, all the thing we discussed already, but I try to show you some real example. Okay, so now I think it is more understood, understandable, and as well as the time is mentioned, distance is mentioned here, and then in the summary you need to write down how number of the operation, number of the transportation, number of the delay, number of the inspection is going on in your industry. Next in micro motion study. Micro motion study means you make a video of that particular operation. Okay, like there is the nut bolt tightening operation is going on, then make a video of that particular person while doing that particular operation, and that video, okay, and that video after that you can analyze, critical examine how the movement occur during that particular operation, and can we improve those particular movement. So it is really when you move, when you play that particular video in a slow motion. Okay, so it will show the some micro type of the study, that's why we put here the micro motion, and there is the some symbol related to this micro motion study, like here mentioned related to search, related to find, related to select, as mentioned here. Okay, so these are the some symbol provided by the Gilbert. Okay, so these are the Thurbling symbol, and on the name that provided by the Gilbert, so it is just opposite. Thurbling means opposite name of the Gilbert. Okay, so if you see this is the Gilbert. Okay, so Gilbert provides this Thurbling symbol for the micro motion study. So these are the some procedure and steps in the micro motion study. Filming the operation to be studied, analyze the film, charting the result of analysis, developing and improve the method. Means first you need to do filming that particular operation, like suppose nut and bolt tightening operation, and you can say the tightening the screw in the hole, that is the operation. So you need to make a film, or you can say make a video related to that operation. Then next is the analyze, how to analyze that particular video. You can play in a slow motion. Okay, and then charting the result by use of this symbol. You can chart, you can make a chart related to that operation, and developing and improve that particular method, okay, that particular method, okay. So that is means by use of the micro motion study also you can improve the means you can say you can improve the your method, industry methods. So in a cricket also we see there is the bowler doing the ball, and if you take a video and you can guide to the bowler and you can guide to the cricketer and the batsman how to play, okay, and how to, which type of the shot you need to play to address this particular ball, and how you really play by use of the video. By playing those video in a slow motion, you can say this is your weakness, you need to improve, as well as you can as a coach, means coach will be provide some guidance and provide some instruction on the basis of that, on the basis of the some critical examination by use of those video. And those video, if we play the slow motion, then that will be improve the performance of that player, as well as same process we can apply in our industry. These are the some equipment which we needed in the past years. There is no means mobile phone is available, that's why they needed the movie camera, wing counter, motion picture projector. But right now you can do this micro motion study by use of your mobile, and just take a particular operation video and move or you can say the we play that particular video in a slow motion, okay, and that slow motion will give idea how to improve that particular study and particular operation. More thing, that is the cyclograph, okay. So cyclograph also give you some movement related improvement. So here in past time they just put a laser light, and in a dark place there is the low light intensity, there one bulb put in a hand, okay, and they try to analyze the movement of the hand, okay, and how to what is the optimal manner to move our hand to doing a particular operation. That's why we need a cyclograph and cyclograph, you can say, and chronocyclograph also available, that will show you. Here you can easily represent, just wait. It will also show you the some movement of the worker while during means of doing the operation. So you can easily analyze how to improve those particular operation, okay. So these are the micro motion study, and that represent by this SIMO chart, okay. So how to make a SIMO chart, as mentioned here, you can easily make this SIMO chart, okay. So here mention everything. So here also we try to make this SIMO chart for the nut and bolt simulation motion chart. So it will give you means to bolt, there is the how to represent. These are the symbol when your hand move with the load, okay, means move empty. When your hand move with the load, then the symbol is like that as represent here, okay. So you can make this chart, a SIMO chart, for the particular operation easily. This is the flow chart, again you can easily dictate, and by use of this flow chart you can improve the plant layout. This is the string diagram. So like that, this is the related to all means we discussed today related to this means method study. In next lecture we will discuss about the this means work measurement study, okay.